Felipe with Coffee Physics. I'm the service manager and trainer. As technicians, we get a lot of questions about espresso machines, and we thought we'd answer some of them here. The E61 group head is one of the most popular group heads in home espresso, but a lot of times you don't know how hot the water is that's coming out of there. Once your E61 group head is fully heated, after about 25 minutes or so, place a cup under the group head and open up that valve and let it run till it fills about 8 ounces of water, then stop it. Now, I know this is kind of flying blind, but we were probably already flying blind and burning our coffee, right? So after 8 ounces, you're probably gonna be around 202 degrees. This is something that I found at home. I have a single boiler E61 group. I did put a temperature probe here, but that's how I found out, and it's a repeatable process. So now I just put 8 ounces and I'm about 201, 202 degrees, and I'm ready to roll.